How to get Opera GX on laptop. So let's get started.
So all you have to do is go into google.com on any browser, and from here you want to go search for Opera GX download. And basically, this is how you can do it on any device, including the laptop. So just open up the first link and click here on download Opera GX. And then once you've done that, you will now be able to download this installer. Click on start download. And then once it is finished downloading, all you have to do left is to just run the installer and basically just follow the on-screen instructions. It's not that hard. It is very easy to follow and install. So as you can see here, it is now downloaded. Click on open. And now from here, you would have this setup right here. So click on accept and upgrade. So in my case, since I already have the Opera GX in here, it would now upgrade this or maybe reset and click on accept right here. So yeah, basically just install Opera GX right here using the installer. And that's it. That is how simple it is to install Opera GX on your laptop. Thank you for watching.